want to track your protein intake, let's try to create a simple tracker in under 60 seconds. So first, I'll have my day, then what is going to be my goal, and the intake, how much ever I have taken, I can just try to list down over here. So this is going to be a title. So I can completely align this and then I'll fill this with the color. So below this one, I can have all my days. So I'll have from Sunday to Saturday. I can just try to have all the days over here. So now I can list down what is going to be my goal. So for each and every day, how much gram of protein I want to intake. So here, let me say that I want to take 60 grams, and then the next day, let's say 65 grams. So next 70 grams. So again 60 grams, 60 and 70. So I'll just, so now this is going to be the goal, and now I'll try to come and have my intake. Let's say on Sunday, if I'm going to take 50 grams as protein, I can just give 50 grams over here. So like that, I can just try to go and enter whatever intake of protein I have taken. So I can try to come and enter it in this particular table. So now I have the complete goal and intake. So now what I'll do is I'll completely select this, and then I'll try to go, and then I'll insert a chart. So with the help of this chart, we'll be able to see for each and every day how much I have intake and what is going to be my goal and how much I have intaken. Easily I'll be able to see our complete thing. So I can also go and name the chart as goal versus intake. So goal versus protein intake, I'll have the chart name. So with the help of this simple chart for each and every day, how much is going to be my goal and what is going to be my intake, I'll be able to completely track it. So if you wish to use the meal tracker template, I have given the link in the first comment. Please do check it out. And also subscribe for more spreadsheet hacks.